How to add project metadata in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the media pool where all your clips are stored. Next, select a clip or clips you want to add metadata to. You can select multiple clips by holding the Ctrl key while clicking. After selecting the clips, open the Metadata Editor panel by clicking on the Metadata button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the media pool. In the Metadata Editor, you will see several fields such as description, keyword, clip color, and more. Fill in the relevant information that you want to associate with your clips. The metadata will help you stay organized and make it easier to find specific clips when needed. Now, to organize your clips more efficiently, you can use Smart Bins. Right-click in the Smart Bins section and select Add Smart Bin. Give your Smart Bin a name and define rules based on the metadata fields you filled earlier, such as keywords or camera types. Smart Bins will automatically gather clips that match your set criteria, making your workflow smoother without the need for manual sorting. This feature is especially helpful when you are managing large projects as it saves time and helps you quickly locate the clips you need. Make sure to save your project after entering metadata and setting up smart bins to avoid losing any changes. And that's it. Now you know how to add project metadata in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.